Today, we're going to work on the frame. So, we're doing some work on the frame today. Got it upside down. I've got to do some welding up in a couple of spots where it's either not welding or it's broken. So, showing some here. That's actually not so bad right there. Yeah, cut right through there. That doesn't make it very strong, does it? I'm gonna have to do some work up here. Don't like the way those are sitting. Again, a couple spots totally missed on the welding when you put this together. I made these little brackets to make this a bit stronger. Both sides of doing that. A bit of welding along that edge there as well. And the back here I got kind of a mess, a bunch of holes. I don't know if it's blow through or rust. And again, back here on this side where it was never even welded. Okay, got everything welded up and ground, so it doesn't look too bad. I put some tacks in there because there was nothing there before. Got that sliced bit filled in. Got my reinforcement welded in there, ground down. This is welded up. Same with the other side. Got this side reinforced as well, so I'll weld it up, ground up. Did some welding in here just to clean things up a bit. And fix this side as well. Same thing where the previous owner had sliced in there. And put some tacks in, I welded that, put some tacks in there. And this part here, so what I did was I cut it out, so it used to look like this. Cut it out. And cut a piece of metal to fit where I cut it out, and then welded it in, ground it off, so it looks good. And I did back here. And if you can't cover bad welding with grinding, nice thick coat of paint will do the trick. Hey, I got some parts. So this is a complete tunnel meant for stock firewall and automatic transmission. It is by EMS Automotive, part number 233C. So it's front to back, the whole thing. I also got from EMS Automotive 2, I got the trunk kit, which basically goes from the back seat. So there's where the tunnel goes up to. So that's the top of the back seat here. And it goes all the way back. Has all the little side pieces too. I believe it stops where I have to make another panel at the very back. I also got this. Well, two of them. A right and a left. I know you can't tell what it is, but here's an unwrapped one. It's fenders, fiberglass fenders for 38 to 40 Ford. They are 3.5 inch wider than stock. They are brand new from Speedway. So I didn't buy this stuff new, obviously. I bought it used from a fellow up north of Newmarket, John. So thanks, John. Got a good deal there.